So guys, impact wrench courtesy of Powerhouse right here. So papakita ko sa inyo gaano kalupit to. Kasi ito na yung second natin, to be honest. Yung first, yung luma, pinadala na natin sa bahay ng kuya ko. Pero guys, the good thing about this is, this comes with a charger already and a battery pack. And I'll let you guys see kung paano natin gagamitin tong Powerhouse impact wrench, and very useful sa atin lahat. So let's go!
So guys, ang hilig natin mag-DIY. So this is the Powerhouse impact wrench. And guys, kasama na tatlong adapter, charger, directions, instructions, and syempre yung box niya, and then the packaging. So yan, ready to go na to. Yan, no? Pwede mo rin i-check dito yung battery mo and everything. So let's go!
So guys, ito na yung impact wrench. Ito yung Nova natin. So try natin sa... So, pasok mo muna. Tanggal agad. Isa pa. Then like that. If you wanna bring it in, it's like so easy. Balik na yun. And then, syempre, kailangan mo lang sikipan para that's how easy to use this Powerhouse impact wrench. Solid guys, let's go!